Middle of winter basically, end of January, early February, and the garden is looking brown, green, not very green, grey, etc. So what are the easy things you can do to just make it look a little bit better? I asked Matt Jackson, gardening consultant at Land and Heritage, what I could do to just make that garden just look a little bit better at this time of year. It's Alexandra from the Middle Sized Garden, bringing you tips, ideas and inspiration from real gardens to your garden.
But during the winter, we're often told that we mustn't, we mustn't do anything to do with getting on the grass at all, and we mustn't cut it, and we must be fearful of going anywhere near it in frost.
But in fact, Matt says mowing the lawn and trimming the edges is probably the biggest single thing you can do to make your garden look better in winter. If you look at gardens which are open to the public all year round and always have to look good, like this one at Leeds Castle in Kent, you'll see that a crisp lawn is what makes it. People won't notice that borders are scrappy, for example. Matt says that when he started gardening, his boss told him that his lawn mowing year ended in December and started again in January. But he does advise you to be careful. He says that a heavy roller, for instance, on your lawnmower will compact the grass, so avoid using a mower with a heavy roller. Mow the lawn on a higher setting so that you don't leave it too short, and be very careful when going around corners so as not to churn up the grass. The edges are, if anything, more important than winter than in summer because you can really see them. The Middle Sized Garden uploads on Wednesdays and Saturdays with garden ideas, tips and inspiration from real middle-sized gardens to yours. So do subscribe, and if there are any gardens you'd particularly like to see more of, or any particular garden problems that you'd like me to cover, then please do leave me a message in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. Thank you. Bye.